Hi guys, I'm showing you the unboxing of the Century food processor yam pounder. It's, in fact, I don't know what to say. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. It came with a 1.5 blender jar and then an additional jar inside of it for grinding of dry stuffs. You can see, guys, you needed to see the material these items were made of. It's so beautiful, guys. It looks so strong. Ah, it's, guys, it's I mean, gone are the days when you have to cut your carrot, your cucumber, your cabbage, cut your okra, your vegetables with your hands. It's good to use your hands though, but you save a whole lot of time and energy using these food processors. It's actually amazing. I'm just showing the unboxing, guys. This one can do a whole lot. I've seen also some people using it for extracting of their palm kernel oil, that is grinding of their palm fruits to extract the oil. It can cut your okra, it can cut your vegetables of any kind. With the accessories, guys, it came with a whole lot of accessories that will do the job perfectly well for you. It has an additional, I think, about 8 blades or so. This one I'm holding is very sharp, and then it was guided because of the sharpness, so you don't get cuts along the process. It is so beautiful, guys. This machine is so beautiful. It has gotten all accessories to cover your needs in the kitchen. This one is for your grating, I think, for your nutmeg or so. I don't know. I'm not using it already. I'm just showing the unboxing, guys. If you have this machine and you've not started using it, you're losing. You're losing out, guys. Or if you have plans and looking for what to buy, go get this, guys. It's a Century product. It's very beautiful. It's very affordable and it's long lasting, based on what I've heard people say and based on the ratings, guys. It's so beautiful. They've got a whole lot of blades that will cover your need. Are you trying to cut your cucumber? Are you trying to cut your carrots? Are you trying to cut other vegetables of any kind? Guys, this Century yam food processor God gets you covered, guys. You don't need to worry. Just hurry and get yours. It's so beautiful. The importance of having these machines in your kitchen is cannot be overemphasized, guys. You see, gone are the days when you have to waste a whole lot of time in the kitchen. The days are already stressful, guys, so you don't need to add an additional stress to yourself by using your hand to cut your chunks of vegetables and all that. Hurry now to get yours, guys. Yes, you have nothing to lose. It's very affordable, very affordable, guys. Yes. So I will just be showing us more videos as I am using it when it's being used, so we already know. The other, it comes with also a plastic blade for your dough, and this plastic that looks like a grater, that looks like a sieve, is for extracting your juice. Yes, for extracting your juice, your citrus juice. In fact, the importance of this Century product cannot be overemphasized. It's for your extracting of your orange, your grape, your fat, name it, guys, name it. So this plastic I'm holding now is where you put your blades, and it's very easy to fix. It's very easy to maneuver. You can just fix these accessories depending on the use, depending on what you want to use it for. Yes, guys. So do not worry on how to fix it or how to install it. Yes, it's very easy to fix. I must tell you, it's very easy to fix. And the jar, it can blend your tomato. The blender itself, it can blend your tomato, it can blend your beans, it can blend all your wet food items. Yes, all your wet food items. Yes, if you want to blend your egusi, if you want to add some water to it to blend, it can do the job perfectly well. Are you a lover of akara? The 1.5 jar can do the job perfectly well for you. So you got nothing to worry about. Just get this and your job in the kitchen is half done. Yes, your worries in the kitchen, your headache in the kitchen is half solved. Just get this Century products and you will thank me